Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do an earring of the week. All right, I have a few pair. I'm gonna show y'all. The first pair I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all these. I think I did, but I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all again. I am my ancestors, and the back is just black with my logo, and it hangs about right here. That's the first pair. Buddha, leave that door alone. Okay. The second pair are these. I make these head wrap earrings all the time, but this is my first pair of head wrap earrings, 2019. I'm gonna put a note so y'all can see some more different head wrap designs. I have a whole video on that. I'll put that up so y'all can check that out. But these right here are gorgeous. And the crazy part is I'm making them. I'm not knowing what colors I want to use and all that. But just beautiful. Really beautiful. And I got like on a kind of reddish orange shirt. You see how that's still blend in and it's not the same color. It's just a blend in with anything. You can wear anything with these. In the back, I didn't even sign the back, but I'm not gonna put nothing on the back. I want the front to be, I want people to focus more on the front. It's crazy because I know over the years I used to like always just do the front of earrings, and everybody was like, I want some on the back, I want some on the back. But it's like the front is always the focus. I guess if they turn, but my earrings don't really turn like that. They'll turn, but not like that. Alright. Here go the next pair. And these are beautiful. Infused with beautiful energy. She is gorgeous. I put like some little detail in her hair. And she got a red, black, and green. Just pretty. Yeah. A beautiful energy. Okay. Let me show y'all these. I have a yellow pair that I did probably like a year or two ago. Could be 2 years. Like this, and I wanted to do a different. I didn't do her different. I just put some glitter in the back because I think it just would be so pretty, especially when it hit the lid. See how gorgeous? Very much conversation piece, very much wearable art. And then her hair got mud cloth design. It was just really, really beautiful. Yeah, these some banging earrings right here. And the back is just blue. I love this blue. Ultramarine blue. It's the black. I gotta sign it. Yep, that's those. I'm gonna show y'all this pair, and this is a pair that I done had. Matter of fact, this is a pair that's going out today. This is a part of someone's order. I think she got a 5-piece. But yeah, I look in the mirror and I looked in the mirror and I saw God. Kind of like the black woman is God. So yeah, these are pretty good sellers. Oh, I already showed y'all them. I'm sorry. Oh, these right here. And some Africas. And they got a The thing with Africa goes this way, right? But when they on you, when you wearing them, you want them to wear them inner, so the two tails go in the inner, so they can, you see what I'm saying? But a lot of people be wanting to, it depends. Sometimes I do them the same exact way, but on your face, it just looks better going inward like that. So there's just some Africas. And then the back got like a little green and gold. And With these, for some reason, I just wanted to do the black, just black. And then this is the last pair. I think I need to, I don't know if I put these on. I'll put them online. The back is the last pair. I mean, this pair is the last pair. And I'm going to show y'all. Well, you know what? I have a couple that I'm working on I can show y'all because they going to, these got to be gloss. But this is a part of an order too, a 5-piece. Yeah. Rise up. Yep, so that's those colors. These haven't even been glossed. I'm gonna gloss them now. It's like really, really early in the morning, so I'm gonna gloss those. And those go with these. And then the sister also got these piece, which I gotta gloss on. And what else she got? I think she got some Malcolm X that I'm working on. And then, I know y'all done seen these. Now I make these a lot. I gotta hook these and gloss these. I even gotta finish the back of them. A sister ordered, she ordered 3 pair of those. These are like some of my oldies but goodies. These, I think they go this way. She ordered those, them, and another pair, but I gotta put the Kari shell on it. So all these will be done today. And this is another pair that I'm not finished that I'm working on. I always have like something on my board. Alright. So y'all check www.boabw.com out. I'm revamping K.Noir Designs. I'm revamping it. So as time going on within this year, a lot of stuff that's going to be transferred from Etsy over to K.Noir Designs. All right. Salam, salam.